Safe for baby, odorless and non-toxic. Recognize the color. Train eye-hand coordination. Develop intelligence. Soothe your baby's emotions. Easy to play. Attract baby's attention. Environmental material. Features. Automatic moving catfish toy. Built-in touch sensor. The catfish toy will automatically move and swing when touched. USB charge. Adopting lithium battery. Product description. Material. Plush. Length. 0.28 centimeters. Power supply. USB charging. Charging status. Upon charge, the red light will on. Completed charge, the red light will off. Charges time, 40 minutes. Playing time, 20 minutes after fully charged. Package contents, 1x automatic moving catfish toy. 1x USB charging cable.
Ay, dami ah.